Okay, you guys, I came back to show you guys what I'm eating for breakfast. And you guys, if you go back, the feeling in this breakfast is my Jimmy Dean, the meat lover. So that's why I didn't show you guys. I have so many breakfast burrito on the Jimmy Dean bowl. Yeah, so again, this is my morning breakfast along with my iced coffee. And that will, I don't know if I should put the when I didn't show you, I got the recipe on my iced coffee, but I just really poured it in this cup right here. Yeah, because I got a recipe on already video how to make my iced coffee. Okay, but yeah, this is mainly the Jimmy Dean bowl. That's it. That's all. No kind of greenie. The meat lover Jimmy Dean bowl. So I got plenty video of how I make this. Out of the meat lover Jimmy Dean bowl. Okay. So I just want to come back to show you guys what I'm eating on this Monday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. With my iced coffee, and also I'm drinking this. Where's the orange pineapple juice? Okay. So yeah, this will be my first video, or my breakfast on Monday, um, March the 17th, 2025 on St. Patrick's Day. And I will, I'm cook um the corned beef brisket for dinner this evening on St. Patrick's Day with carrot, potato. What else go with it? Carrot, potato, and cabbage. This is just my first video on my breakfast. Okay? Again, I want to wish all you Irish people a happy St. Patrick's Day. God bless, and you guys be safe. So even though that I'm not Irish, but I like to wish them a happy day uh, on their celebration. Yes, so if you know what I mean, I have respect for every culture in this state, America. But even though St. Patrick, they really celebrate in Ireland, and stuff, but it's a lot of um, Irish people in Colorado. I guarantee. Yeah, but again, hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day, and you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys. If I don't post my dinner tonight, I will definitely post it tomorrow, what I cook on St. Patrick's Day. Okay? I might and I might not. Okay? Until then, God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next upload video. Bye-bye. Happy Monday, you guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And this morning, this is my morning coffee, iced coffee. And if you want to see how I make my iced coffee, I does just go back and look for the video that I made my iced coffee. It should be made by 3 or 4 days. Okay, so yeah, so again, happy Monday and happy St. Patrick to all the Irish people. And this is my ice. I already got in my cup. See, and then I already got my ingredient all mixed up. And usually, this is 2 cups, I think. Yeah. So, yeah, that's 2 cups. See how chocolatey, and this is so good, you guys. I guarantee. Again, if you guys want to make my recipe on my iced coffee, just go back and look on some of my video. I think it's maybe about a couple of days, but yeah, that's my iced coffee, you guys. And see, I do have some left, you know, because this I wanted to get me a ice strawberry, the one for the whole, you know, a lot of it. But anywho, yeah. So again, this is my iced coffee, and you guys have the Irish people. You guys have a happy St. Patrick Day. Alrighty. See you guys, and I am making corned beef, so stay tuned for that video, because I am making corned beef, the St. Patrick dinner with the corn, potato, and cabbage. So stay tuned. I don't know if I'm going to put in this video on my morning coffee. I might as well. Yeah, cause yeah. And that's what I'm having for dinner. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Well, for this one, but I might just add this with my dinner. Okay, this is my morning coffee. Okay? Alrighty. I noticed that, you know what? I noticed that when I did post it, how when I put stuff in it, you barely can't see where it say Happy St. Patrick Day. Yeah. If I go up a little, might have to darken it, you know. Yeah, but anywho, yeah. All right. So again, check out my recipe on my iced coffee. Yes. Bye-bye.